One of the questions I get all the time is, do we do mobile websites? The answer is, of course. Especially in today's world, the majority of your visitors are going to be coming to your website on a phone, at least at some point in the process. Why does my site need to be mobile responsive? If your website takes too long to load on a mobile device, or it just doesn't download, or if there's no call to action, you're going to lose traction to your competitors. Having a mobile-friendly website gives you a couple advantages. The first is better search visibility. Google does care if your site is mobile friendly, and they can tell by looking at the code if it's going to scale to the size of the screen that it's on. So if your site's not scalable, you will lose ranks in search. What does it mean to have a mobile friendly website? Having a mobile friendly website means that your website will scale to the size of the screen that it's on. That means if it's on a laptop or a desktop, it's going to be big. If it's on a tablet, it will scroll or size to the tablet. And if it's on a mobile device, it will scale down. It also means that I'm not gonna have to zoom in to see the content. It's all gonna scale to the size of the screen. So if I have images that are big on a desktop, those images will scale to the size of the screen. Another part of mobile responsive design, or what that means, is that it will load quickly on a phone. If you have a website on a desktop that has big images or big video files, if it's not mobile responsive, it will take forever to load on a phone. Having a mobile responsive website makes it fast to load, scalable, and efficient on all different types of screens. So I want to talk to you about a few of the reasons why mobile responsive websites are essential for your business. The first is user experience. User experience means how easy is it for the user to find what they're looking for when they come to your website on a phone. Do they have to zoom in? Do they have to squint? Do they not know where the top navigation is? Is there not a clear menu in the top corner to show them a drop-down menu where they can browse around? From the second the user clicks on your website, you want to make it very easy for them to know where they should go. That includes things like calls to action. If you don't have a good call to action on your mobile version of your website that invites the visitor to take the next step, you're missing the mark. Another important part of a mobile-friendly experience is the speed. You can do a page speed check by going to Google and typing Google page speed check and then putting in your website address. It'll tell you both the mobile version and the desktop version of your website. Speed is important. If you want to be ranked in Google for your top phrases, your website better be fast, and it better meet all of Google's criteria. Google has really tightened the reins on speed on a mobile device. They want it to be fast. So make sure you're following all the metrics that Google requires. Another reason why we do mobile responsive design and code is for conversion optimization. We want your website to work as an employee. And if they get to your website on a phone and they can't do anything or they don't know what to do next, you've lost them. So we want it to be very inviting, to invite the visitor down the correct path. Finally, if you go to a competitor's website and that you have to zoom in to see their site, that's great news for you as a business owner, because you automatically have a competitive advantage if your site is mobile friendly. Another part of the competitive advantage is Google notices if your site is not mobile responsive, and it will lower your rankings in search if it's not compatible with mobile devices. So when asked, do you do mobile responsive design? At Web 801, the answer is absolutely yes. If you'd like to schedule a free consultation, go to the link in the description below, and we'll walk you through the process and get answers to your questions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to get more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Another reason why we do mobile responsive design is for another reason why we do mobile responsive